Hello everyone, I am Geeta, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are going to discuss about curvature. Curvature is nothing but the rate of bending of the curve. For example, if we consider the straight line, there is no bending of the curve. So its straight line curvature is 0 here. If we consider the point, its curvature is infinity. If we consider the circle means, curvature of circle is its radius. The radius of curvature is 1 by curvature. That means reciprocal of curvature is called radius of curvature. Here the partition formula for radius of curvature is rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Here y1 represent the dy by dx and y2 represent the d square y by dx square. Now we are going to calculate the radius of curvature of y is equal to e power x at the point 0, 1. Here 0 is x value and 1 is y value. They have given the term y is equal to e power x. Differentiating this e power x with respect to x means we get e power x. At the point y1 value is equal to, putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, we get because 0 is equal to 1. So y1 value is equal to 1 here. y2 is nothing but differentiating this function again with respect to x. That is d square y by dx square, which is equal to e power x. Here, substituting x equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, we get its y2 value also 1 here. Now, the radius of curvature formula is 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Here, y1 value is 1 and y2 also 1. So, 1 plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 divided by 1. So, 1 plus 1 we get 2. So, radius of curvature is equal to 2 power 3 by 2 here. Now, here we are going to discuss about one more problem. So that the radius of curvature at the point 0, c on the curve y is equal to c cos x by c is c. Here we are going to prove the radius of curvature of this curve is c. Here y value is equal to c into cos x by c. Now we are calculating y1, that is dy by dx, and differentiating cos with respect to x. Here it is a hyperbolic function. So differentiating cos we get sin only. If it is not hyperbolic function means differentiation of cos is minus sin. So y1 is equal to c cos x by c and its coefficient is 1 by c here. Put it in the multiplication here. So finally y1 value is equal to at the point 0, c. Putting x equal to 0, sin 0, 0. So y1 value is equal to 0 here. Next we are going to calculate y2 value. y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. It is hyperbolic function. So differentiation of sin we get cos x by c. X's coefficient is 1 by c. So here we put it into multiplication here. So at the point 0, c, y2 value is equal to cos 0 value is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 by c, we get y2 value is equal to 1 by c here. Now we are going to find its radius of curvature, that is equal to 1 plus y1 square the whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Here y1 value is equal to 0 here. Substituting 0, 1 power 3 by 2 divided by y2 value is 1 by c here. Substituting this y2 value here means we get simplification, radius of curvature is equal to c. Okay, now we are going to find the radius of curvature of logarithmic function, that is equal to y is equal to log of secant x by c. Here they have given you the corresponding points, so let it be x and y only. So now we are going to calculate y1 value. y1 is equal to dy by dx there. Already we know the formula. Differentiation of d by dx of log x value is equal to 1 by x. Using this concept, here we differentiating the log of secant of x by c. Logarithmic value differentiating log, we get 1 by x. Instead of x here we are having secant of x by c. After that we differentiate secant x by c. Its formula is differentiating this, we get secant into tan into corresponding x coefficient 1 by c. By simplification we get here cancelled. By simplification, we get y1 value is equal to tan x by c. After that, we are going to find y2 value, that is equal to d square y by dx square, that is equal to differentiation of tan, we get secant square x by c into its coefficient 1 by c. So rho value is equal to 1 plus y1 square 1 over 3 by 2 by y2. Substituting y1 value here and y2 value here, 1 plus tan square is secant square. So is secant square x by c the whole power 3 by 2 divided by 1 by c into secant square x by c. So by cancelling